YouTube, what is good, y'all? I know it's been a minute. Y'all see the shorts coming, and yeah, trying to stay consistent with something, right? Shorts are quick and easier to record. But anyway, today we're gonna record a video, and basically I'm gonna go through the steps of debadging your truck. I got a new custom badge I want to put on the Blkhorn, so y'all check this out. So as you can see, this says Bighorn because, and yes, the truck is dirty. But yes, this says Bighorn. This is a Ram 1500 Bighorn. And let me show y'all what I had custom made. This actually says BLK horn, so for Blkhorn. So this is what I will be replacing the factory badging with. I'm definitely gonna give you guys some information on the company that did this. They are pretty awesome. I actually had one done prior to that one. Hopefully y'all can see this. I did it with the white background, and but once I put it against the truck, I didn't really like how it looked, so I put it on my speaker box. But anyway, doesn't take a whole lot to get this done. You just need a few items. So we got some tape, simple masking tape. Of course, we're gonna clean the surface of the area, clean around it. We're gonna take the tape and mark where we want to put the new badge. And if you have a heat gun, that's awesome. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. So just be careful not to put too much direct heat on it, but you want a little bit of heat to loosen up the adhesive behind the badge. So here we go. So as y'all can see, I got everything taped off, and this thread, we're gonna take this thread and just kind of work it back and forth behind this badge until we get the entire thing off. And of course you're gonna need some fishing line. You can see that fishing line right there. And then we also got some sticker tape and adhesive remover for once we get the badge off. So y'all stay tuned. It's getting dark a lot earlier, guys, so I ran out of daylight, but I'm trying to see how this works. I'm putting on these gloves because this fishing line is actually pretty sharp. So you definitely want to be cautious. It is strong, so it's not breaking, so it's liable to cut you before it breaks. YouTube, so this is what it looks like with the when I finally got the badge off. And it actually took a combination of me using the fishing line and actually heating it up and also spraying it down with this stuff. So this helped to kind of loosen it up a little bit while I was getting it off. But this is the final result. So now we're going to work on getting this off. I'll continue to spray it down with this adhesive remover, and hopefully it'll come off. I soaked it and let it actually sit overnight, so hopefully it's a little bit loose. Just to be safe, guys, I'm using a like a little putty. I don't know what you call it, putty scraper, putty knife. Try my best to you know, protect the paint under. a certain point, it seems to be peeling off pretty good. All right, so I pretty much got all of the major pieces off. Now it's just a smaller cleanup process, getting all of the little goo and all of the other little residual pieces that's left on. But all in all, it came out pretty good. I find this works best with a combination of, again, patience, making sure that you use the adhesive sticker tape and adhesive remover, and definitely spraying it and letting it soak overnight, because there were pieces that came off when I started to pull all in one piece, and then other pieces I had to kind of scrape off. So all right guys, so I pretty much got it cleaned up, but I am going just an extra step, just because I don't know, I don't want to see anything on there. I'm just taking it an extra step and using some of this bug and tar remover made by Blue Magic. So I'm gonna see how that works, just to give it a final cleanup. So I just kind of rubbed it on there, and I'm letting it sit for about a minute or so. And then I'll rub it off with a dry towel, and hopefully that'll clean it up and give me exactly what I'm looking for. So we'll see. All right guys, so after a little elbow grease, and you can still kind of see that bottom line on there, but I'm not tripping too much on that. For the most part, it's off. I'll probably clean that up in just a little bit. Bottom piece of tape, I went ahead and pulled that off just because all of my adhesive remover and all that kind of stuff got to it, but I still got it lined up. This is where the top of the new badge will go. So it's still lined up, it's looking good, so you guys stay tuned. All right guys, so it's time. I'm about to go ahead and put this new badge on. Let's see. Let's go and get this. Look at that thing sitting there like it's ready to go on. All right, so got the Blkhorn badge. I think it's gonna look real nice right there. One of the things that's key, you guys, is this stuff right here. You don't just wanna, because it has the 3M tape on the back, but you don't wanna depend on just the 3M tape. You wanna make sure that you use this adhesion promoter, because it is going to give it extra strength. It's gonna make it stick better. I mean, definitely stick a whole lot better. And you do not have to worry about that coming off. It dries fast. You just give it a quick spray down and then go ahead and put it in place. So that's what we're about to do. I'm holding it up so you guys can see. Give this stuff a good shake. And just hit it right across there. Probably shouldn't have sprayed that on my hand. I like the placement. Placement of it looks really good, I think. Looks like it went on well. I think it's definitely a good look. Can you imagine pulling up behind that and seeing Blkhorn, Blkhorn? Yeah, that's a good look. I think this was a good move. I'm happy with it. All right, guys, I just removed the tape. I'll do a little bit of cleaning around it. But yeah, there we go. Finished product. Looks really good. I'm pleased with it. I mean, when you're out of the shadows, this is what you see. When the light is hitting it, the letters are glossy, just like the truck. And so you get almost like a mirror effect. So yeah, super happy with that. Again, I'll do some more cleaning, get it cleaned up around that. But anyway, guys, that's how you debadge a truck or any vehicle for that matter. Definitely takes time, patience. I did have to use a few things. So again, I had my fishing line, made sure I used this stuff right here, which was really good throughout the entire process. Heated it up a little bit with a heat gun, but after I got the badge off, I really didn't have to use the heat gun anymore. And then kind of just coming back behind everything and cleaning it up with this bug and tar remover. And of course, every step of the way, I rinsed it. I mean, as you can see, I got my little water hose right here. It almost looks like something you put gas in your car with. But anyway, I got my little water hose here. You can see the little splatters of water. So I was rinsing it and cleaning it every step of the way. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am definitely working to get more video content on the channel. A lot more, you know, amping my video content up. Of course, like I said earlier, I've been posting a lot of shorts. That's been helping me bring subscribers in, and I appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel. You guys keep watching, and I got some good RAM information in the works. I know a lot of you guys send me mechanical questions and things like that about the Rams and, you know, the tick. Of course, if you own a Ram, you know about the infamous tick. So I'm trying to find mechanics and you know, people who can give like a thorough explanation or multiple explanations of what may be causing the infamous Ram tick and any other issues you may have. So just stay tuned, guys. I got it coming for you. I'm working it out. You guys be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.